Behind me is a 2006 Ferrari F430. It's a 12-year-old car and it's in the need for some love. They came to the right spot, Chicago Auto Pros. Let me show you what we're gonna do to this car. All right, lots of work to get done on this Ferrari, so we're gonna start by taking off the old clear bra. It's easiest if you heat up the clear bra. We're actually gonna use a steamer. This is gonna help loosen up the glue to remove the clear bra. And you don't wanna just start yanking the clear bra off either. You can risk taking off some paint if you start doing that. Start by heating up the section that you're gonna wanna remove, and then you're gonna wanna get your hand under the clear bra and pull away from the section that you're lifting up. This is gonna minimize the risk of pulling up any paint. After removing the clear bra, if you have any leftover adhesive, you want to get all that off before you do any prepping or paint correction. We're going to use a product called Rapid Remover. It helps loosen up all this adhesive. You can spray down there, let it sit a little bit, and we'll take all that off. This is actually the most time-consuming part, is getting all the adhesive off. So let's get to it. After all the clear bra residue was removed, we give it a thorough wash and decontamination. There was a lot of polishing residue left over from the previous detailer, so it took a little longer than normal to clean all the cracks and crevices out. Upon inspection of the vehicle after its wash, we discovered the car was riddled in scratches and swirling. You can see the rotary buffer marks in the hood that were left behind. There's some deeper scratches. There's even some burn marks that we found. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some paint correction on the front end of the vehicle before it gets the paint protection film for maximum clarity. The paint correction on the front end of the Ferrari. We took all the paint protection film off. We took all the glue off. There are some cut lines here. Let me show you. This is from the previous installer who cut on the paint. We're gonna put the paint protection film over this. It might cover it up a little bit. Correction didn't too much. They're pretty deep. Same thing happened over here where they cut out for the emblem and they just cut right through the paint, which is absolutely unprofessional. But front end looks good. We're gonna get it inside. Rich and E are coming to do the XPEL today. We'll get that in, and then we're gonna pull it out and we'll do paint correction to the rest of the car. The clear bra is gonna help prevent any damage from small rocks or road debris. We took off the front end emblem and we're gonna wrap all the edges for maximum coverage and a seamless look. The side emblems will not be removed per the customer's request.
Diamonds so pearls, and I'm gonna take you traveling the world. I can love you, yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'll give you the whole of what I've got. The fancy finds, baby, I have not. Just gonna love you, yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, baby. Cross my heart and hope to die.
After the clear bra install, it's back to the detail shop to finish up the rest of the paint correction on the vehicle. We spent a little more than 20 hours removing the paint defects from the paint. We knew the paint had already been previously polished, and with the burn mark that we found, we wanted to take our time and remove the smallest amount of clear we could, being very cautious not to do any more damage to the very thin paint.
I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart and hope to die.
There were some deeper scratches that we weren't able to fully get out, but overall the paint surface was dramatically improved. I'd say we got about 95% correction. Now that we got the paint looking good, it's time to protect it with a ceramic coating. We're going to be protecting it with CQuartz Professional. Ceramic coatings, if you don't know what they are, they're kind of like waxes on steroids. They're thicker, more durable, and chemical resistant. They have superior gloss, and unlike a wax that's only going to last a couple of months, coatings are going to protect for 2 years and beyond. This coating requires a baking period with an infrared heat lamp before it can be released. It took a lot of hard work to get this beauty shining again, but it's all worth it once you get a step back and take a look at the results.